In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Fantech keyboard software. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and then go to fantechworld.com. Now, once we're here, we want to hover our mouse over download and click onto keyboard. Then from here, click on understand. Then from here, we want to scroll down and we can see all the different type of Fantech keyboard softwares we can go ahead and grab. So depending what keyboard you got, go ahead and find the correct one. So the best way to find it I'm going to click on Control F and then put in my keyboard. So that's it here. So they've highlighted it here for me. So I can go ahead and click on the software. Then that's going to start downloading. Then when it finishes downloading, you want to go ahead and click OK. So Google Chrome's just doing a quick scan on this. Okay, so Google Chrome's done the scan. Then what we want to do is go ahead and click open. Then from here, we're going to get the setup wizard. So I'm just going to go ahead and minimize those web pages, and it should say welcome to Fantech MK855 gaming keyboard setup wizard. So we want to go ahead and click on next, choose where you'd like to install it. I'm going to keep it there inside of my program files, and then from there basically click install, and that's going to install your Fantech keyboard software onto your computer.